Popular TvJ journalist Kirk Wright in hospital following reported knife attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Television Jamaica journalist Kirk Wright has been admitted to hospital after he was reportedly stabbed during a domestic dispute at his home on Friday. Minister of Culture, Gender, Sports and Entertainment Miss Olivia Babsy-Grange was among scores of Jamaicans who have since reacted with shock to the news. I am praying for a speedy recovery as we celebrate International Man's Day. Blessing always, said Minister Grange on her social media page. Reports are that the well-known media man is reportedly in stable condition and is awaiting surgery at the hospital. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honourable Mr. Andrew Holness, also reacted with sadness about the news. On his social media platform Facebook, he wrote, "We are praying for your speedy recovery." Television Jamaica also reacted to the news and made this post on their social media platform Facebook. The TvJ family is wishing our colleague Kirk Wright a speedy recovery following an off-the-job incident in which he was stabbed today. He is recuperating in hospital and we wish him all the best in quickly returning to full health. That was a post from Television Jamaica. During the publication of this report, we were reliably informed that the reporter Kirk Wright is now recuperating after being stabbed during an off-site job incident in St. Catherine. He has been hospitalized in stable condition. We'll continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.